Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are driving this BMW 545e xDrive. With a white interior. So hello guys, welcome to another video. This is a point of view video of driving the brand new BMW 545e xDrive sedan with this beautiful bronze or brown color. So this car is it's a hybrid vehicle, which means that this one in particular has a 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine with a battery and electric engine. The car can drive on battery, only on battery and electricity for about 30 kilometers. So yeah, this is the brand new 5 Series from a 2022 model year, and it is also a hybrid. As you can see over here, you can switch between various different modes. You have the adaptive, which changes between the electric motor and combustion engine fully automatically and adaptively, and then you can switch it manually.
Jeďte doleva ve směru Městský okruh.
Let's try and put it in a sports mode, and the first thing you notice is the engine starts immediately, and the steering feel is very harder and firmer. So let's try and put this car into fully electric mode. The graphic and infotainment changes and let you know that you're in fully electric mode. Let's set our cruise control and assisted steering for 80 kilometers an hour. So yeah, the 5 Series, the layout of this car is pretty well known. Overall, the materials in this car are pretty luxurious feeling. This wooden trim, black wooden trim and aluminum door handles are very nice to touch. It feels very good, very well put together. Also the center console has this door trim or wooden trim, I would say, in combination with this black piano looking panels. This car has the white leather interior. This car also has the heated steering wheel, so I'll put that on. So yeah, we hit some rush hour traffic, I would say. So the question for today's video is this 5 Series, the 545e, the hybrid version of 5 Series. Is this car better than the X5 45e? Honestly, I really don't know. I think the drivetrain is really similar, but the X5 has one big advantage, and that is the battery capacity of the X5 is almost double. So the question for today's video is this car better than the X5 45e? In my opinion, the X5 45 5e has one big advantage over this 5 Series, the 545e, and that is that the X5 has a much bigger battery, which allows the car to go just on the electrics about 80 kilometers or 70 to 80 kilometers fully on electric energy. On the other hand, the 5 Series, the 545 xDrive Sedan, the hybrid doesn't have as much big of a battery as the X5, which means that this car has the fully electric range capacity about 30 kilometers, which in a day-to-day commute to the and out of the city doesn't seem like a big limitation. But of course you don't always have the time to charge your car in work or at the charging station, so the bigger battery capacity for the X5 definitely wins that category. The other thing is that the X5 is a bigger and higher family car, because you have so much space in the back seats that the 5 Series, this car looks small and completely impractical in that case. But on the other hand, in my opinion, the 5 Series, the Sedan, does look much better and sportier than the X5. Also, the driving position in the 5 Series is just better and more sportier than the X5, because it just sits so much lower, so much more to the ground, and also the car has a lower center of gravity and it feels much more planted than the X5. The X5 was a bigger boat than this 5 Series. So yeah, like in other BMWs, the infotainment screen and the gauge cluster are really intuitive and good looking. Also the adaptive cruise control and assisted steering works in this car just fabulously. Right now I'm not doing anything, I'm not touching the pedals, I'm not touching the steering wheel. The car is just completely driving by itself. But right now these flashing lights are letting me know that I should hold the steering wheel, so I should take over the driving. But other than that, the car is just driving by itself, which is really awesome, really smooth. We can change the ambient lighting in this car pretty easily between various colors: blue, purple. You can see how it's changing. I also like that on this 5 Series you have a lot of physical buttons, for example for heated and cooled seats, which is awesome that the most frequent buttons stayed the same and nothing major moved to the infotainment screen. This car drives much faster in my opinion than the X545e, because I think it's a lighter car. It has much bigger punch, I would say. Well, overall I think if I would go for practicality in family car, I would go for the X5 xDrive 45e, just for the electric range and the added luggage space and space for the back passengers. But if I would go for sportiness and better looks and overall sportiness, I would go for this 5 Series 545e xDrive sedan. I think that's the verdict for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video of driving the 5 Series, the 545e xDrive sedan, and also comparing it to the X5 45e xDrive. Thank you for watching. Hope you see you next time. If you don't want to miss any other videos, please consider subscribing. It helps me a lot. And I think that's it. Yeah, hope you see you next time. Peace.